Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a token on Solana. First, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves installing the Solana command line interface, or CLI, and configuring it with your wallet. Make sure your wallet has sufficient SOL to cover the transaction fees, which are typically very low. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have everything ready to create your very own custom token. Now, let's create the token itself. Using the Solana CLI, you'll execute the SPL token create token command. This action generates a unique mint address for your new token. Think of this as your token's identity on the Solana blockchain. It's crucial to save this address, as you'll need it for all subsequent operations, including minting actual tokens and managing its supply. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide on Solana token minting helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, after all that coding, you'll need some good food. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With your token created, it's time to mint the initial supply. You'll use the SPL token mint command, providing your token's unique mint address and the quantity you wish to create. This step puts the specified number of tokens directly into your wallet. Remember, you can always mint more later, but this establishes the initial circulating supply for your project. It's an exciting moment, seeing your tokens come to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.